Here we have a 1964 Pontiac GTO. This car just came to us out of North Carolina. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a real GTO. This is not a clone. This car has the PHS, the Pontiac Historical Society documents to prove that this is indeed a real 64 GTO. It's painted in its original color. This was an original marimba red GTO with black interior, and that is how it remains today. You can look down the side here, you can tell that it's a pretty straight car. You can look in the reflection and see not a lot of orange peel or things like that. I would say that it's been repainted a while back. It certainly isn't a year or two, but as you can see as we go around it, and you'll be able to see all the still pictures too, but you'll be able to see that it's definitely still a head turner, no doubt about that. You look down the driver's side. As I mentioned, you'll see the papers, the PHS documents are laying in the back seat here in an envelope for the new owner. Car does also come with its Pontiac identiplate, the original owner's manual. So it is nicely documented, as I mentioned, real, true GTO, not a clone. Bucket seats and console, of course. Odometer reads, I think, 16,000. I would assume that's 116. But obviously the motor and stuff has been rebuilt in the car during its lifetime. Somebody did add aftermarket gauges down there to keep an eye on things. Still has its original radio in it as well. Interior still shows very nicely. Here's that packet with the PHS docs that I was telling you about. There's a headliner. It's all in good shape as well. Go ahead and start it up here quick. And she sounds pretty good. I'll get the hood opened up. There we go. Does have power brakes, power steering, and it is running tri-power. What else would you want under that hood besides a 389 with tri-power? Very fun car to drive. Good sound to it out the back. As I mentioned, you can see all of the still pictures inside, outside, and underneath of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered and financing is available as well.